The Excel 2016 templates let you quickly create useful workbooks without a whole lot of work. Templates give you a starting point for a file. If you don't see a template you want to use, you can search for more online. For example, I recently attended a conference, and now I need to submit an expense report. It would take me a while to create a decent expense report in Excel, so I'm going to search on expense report and see what's out there. I see lots of expense report templates, so I'll just take a look at the first one. Each template has a details page that describes the template, shows what it looks like, and who created it. This one looks okay, but I think I'll check out a few other ones first. This one looks good, so I'll choose Create. And here's my expense report, ready to edit. This workbook contains a single worksheet called Expense Report. If I want to, I can rename it by right-clicking and selecting Rename. I'll call it Expenses 2015 Conference. I want to add a second worksheet to track my list of receipts. I do that by clicking the plus sign. Now I'll save the file so I can work on it later. On the File tab, I choose Save As, which brings up a list of options. For now, I'll save it in my personal OneDrive library. The default name of the workbook is Weekly Expense Report. I'll give it a more meaningful name so I can find it later. Next time I want to edit the expense report, I can just open Excel, and there's a good chance I'll see my expense report listed under Recent. Or I could sign into Office 365 and find the expense report in OneDrive. There's the file, so I'll choose it and start editing. Learn more at support.office.com.